So it was a good day in the shop. We just did a rear brakes on a Subaru, I believe it was. No, I did rear brakes on a Hyundai Elantra. I did a power steering pump on a Subaru, and I did a water pump on this Jeep behind me. I thought today was a good day because we haven't fixed any cars by adding oil to it. But wait, this Jeep behind me had a ticking noise in the engine, a little old for check engine light. It's caused by oil being too low. However, ticking noises still can be caused by oil, and in fact it was 4 quarts low. So here we are starting the week on Monday, and boom, oil issue. Add oil, and now it's quiet. Magic. And I wanted to say that I've got a pretty good boss. He pays for lunch every day, pretty sweet. We have drinks, water, Gatorade pop in the fridge for us, so that's pretty cool. Any technicians out there, maybe leave a comment on what your boss does for you besides a nice pay. Be interesting to see what you guys are, other benefits that you don't necessarily expect. All right.